As I wake up every morning, I wish the day would end, because a day without you in my life, I don't know how to mend. And I was like,
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So guys, today's video I'm going to be taking you guys along on my day. So right now I just finished bathing my baby. She just finished having her bath and I'm dressing her up right now. All right, so this is what I do basically every day. Though this winter, I don't normally bathe her every time. Whenever the day is so cold, I used to, use towel to clean her body, or I will not bathe her at all. This is cold period. Now I'm done bathing her, and look at my beautiful baby. Can you guys see the beauty now? See God's creature. Eh, yaraga. All right, guys. Yes, as I finished bathing her, right now, whenever I want to take my bath, also, this is what I do. I put her on her high chair and I on her cocoa melon for her. Please, mommy, I'm doing voiceover now. You want for my hand? So whenever I finish bathing her and I want to bathe what I do is that I on cocoa melon for her and I put her on her high chair. If not, she will follow me to the bathroom. You gotta go. Thank God for this cocoa melon. Oh, So guys, right now I'm done bathing and I'm here to, remove her from the cage. It's not cage, oh, but this is where she stays. And I will take my bath and come back. All right. She wants to go and grab my camera. So guys, right now as I finish taking my bath, I'm here to tidy up the living room. Ah gosh, I do this almost, in fact, every day. This is how I keep on arranging, rearranging, scattering. As you are arranging, your baby is scattering for you, you are arranging. So I do as my power can carry. I don't try to force things. They gotta go. So I'm sweeping right now, and yeah. I hope you like this video. Please don't forget to give us thumbs up, and if you are new, please subscribe. Makaniga like yani garago. This is my day. A day is just like we do so much on a daily basis. We mothers, we stay at home mom. There is so much to do. There is no amount of work you will do in a day that you will finish what you are doing. There will still be a lot of work to do, like as if you have not done anything. Like, God bless all mothers. We are just doing amazing. It is not easy. It is not easy. So right now I'm done, tidying up the living room. Keep watching and don't go nowhere. You gotta go. I have not introduced this vlog. So guys, I want to make vegetable soup. I just finished. You guys already seen what I have done so far. I have bathed my baby, and I have also finished bathing, and I immediately, tidy up that living room. A bit parlor. Is it living room? I know it as parlor. So I can't hear people they say living room. So I just tidy it up, and now I want to cook vegetable soup. The vegetable is much, but I don't have any option than to do it. Yesterday was Sunday. I didn't prepare good food for my family. You guys might have watched that video before this. I don't know which one that will go up. So I've been feeling so weak. I've been feeling sick. I've been feeling tiredness. Like, since Saturday, I have been feeling tiredness, so weak and all of that. I couldn't do anything. Yeah, just like that. Well, I said to my husband, let it not be what I'm thinking, but there's this kind of headache I was having when I had my baby Esther. That kind of headache, strange headache, heavy headache, that when that headache comes on me, I can't do anything. I can't pick up my phone. I cannot even edit my videos. Like, oh God. But if it continues, I will not have if it continues like that, I will not have any option than to, do live pregnancy test for you guys. Yes, to check myself if it is, but I'm not ready for it yet. I want my baby to be at least 1 year and 6 months or 2 years. That is what is in my mind. Highest 2 years. Now she's just 1 year and 2 months. I'm just being honest for you guys. I just want to prepare myself and get ready before another baby comes. But I don't know. Hobby tells me there is no how you will be ever ready, but that is my plan. When Esther is 2 years, that is when I will start, planning to have another baby. But for now, I'm not ready. But if it is, I will not have any. I will still be happy. It is fast. I will just take it like God wants it that way. Share you get, but I'm still monitoring myself. So guys, yeah, I want to prepare vegetable soup. The vegetable is much. I want to prepare good food for my family, my husband. We have just been eating noodles because I can't do anything. Yesterday, my husband was the one that my husband made the noodle. He did the dishes. He do many things. I was just weak. But thank God I'm strong now. That is why I take my baths. Anytime I take my baths, I always have this kind of strength and energy to do something, most especially cooking. So that is it. And please, if today is your first time, please hit that red subscribe button and be a part of this family. And to all my returning subscribers, thank you guys so much. I really appreciate. I'm sorry if I'm blabbing too much. I don't want to be talking too much on my videos, but sometimes we just have to say some things and express ourselves, right? Sorry if I'm boring you. I know, sorry. Okay, so I'll just get to work now. Let me start bringing out the vegetable and start. My tripod got spoiled. My big tripod that I'm using to do my vlogging at home just got spoiled. I only have this selfie stick now. I don't know how I'm going to be doing my vlogging now. Like, I will still have to plan it now to buy another tripod stand. How am I going to do all this, my vlogging and cooking today? But it's well. This is it. This is it. See, you don't yakata. This one is the head. The thing don't finally spoil. It is well. I will still be managing this my selfie. Yeah. So this is the meat I will use. This is the chicken I will be using to cook this vegetable. This is the meat, and here is the vegetable. I'm going to be cutting them now. But before then, I will cut the chicken and start cooking it. Yeah, that is it. Let me go and check my baby. What is she doing? Stop standing in front of television, Esther. I will off it now. Where is remote? I've told you to stop standing in front of television. You are not hearing. Stop standing in front of television. You come out from there. Come out. Your time up. Oh yeah, let's go inside kitchen. Going to be using this. I'm going to be rough chopping this pepper and onions with 2 tomatoes. All right, I'm going to be using it to cook this soup. All right, I will rough chop it and pour it inside this meat. All right, yeah. Right now, Mama have slept and I want to be very fast. I have not started cutting the vegetable yet, so I'm still trying to start cooking the meat. While the meat is cooking, I'll be cutting the vegetable. My vegetable soup, no, they waste time now. Don't.
Lions roaring in the morning sun, searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way. Birds chirping and I hear my name, grasping into a life. Life is happy but it's so insane. We must merely make a start. Savannah, I'm coming home, Savannah. We'll never be alone, Savannah. The beauty of the world, Savannah. Let's all take a walk, Savannah. Lion's gonna come. The birds have just begun.
And I just finished spraying the clothes I washed, my baby's clothes that I just washed. Like, I'm so happy. You guys don't know how happy I am to finish cutting this vegetable because before my baby wakes up. I just finished spraying the clothes and she wake up. Yeah, I will give you meat. I will give you chicken. My baby loves meat a lot. I kiss mommy. Kiss me now. You know, so I carry camera. Kiss me, mommy. She's just waking up. So, guys, yeah, this is the vegetable. I finished cutting it now. All right, this is the vegetable. So my soup will not waste time. And I'm done frying the meat also. So, yeah. So, guys, I'll talk to you guys later. I'm so happy. Yeah? Mommy, which meat will I give? Wait, let me give you meat. Let me find meat and give you. Let she use this one. Let she carry this one. Okay. The one you get now. Kill me too. No one. She will do guys and she will eat them. She will take them later. Ending this video here because it's already long. So I'm done making the vegetable soup and I'll finish boiling the rice that we will eat it with. Normally this vegetable soup is supposed to go down with swallow, but I want to eat rice with it. Let me show you guys. So this is the vegetable soup. This corner is not always giving my food the brightness I want, and this one is the rice. Oh my goodness, this one is the rice. And yeah, I'm taking tea. You know, this is winter. And this is the tea I'm taking. It's actually very nice. Made of coconut and pineapple. There is this other one. This one is another tea that I'm taking. You see the fruit that is made of. It's not finished yet. So, Alma is there doing her work. Tea. This tea is really helping me anytime I eat food or anything that don't want to digest. Like normally this tea is really good and is also helping me with losing some weight, most especially that second one I showed you guys. That one do magic. Like anytime I do this video, and guys, like I'm not really happy. I'm not happy about this election going on in my country. I don't know when I will be uploading this video, but whenever you see it, just know that I made this video around when election was going on. Like I'm just so angry right now. To me, Obi have already won this election, but these people are just manipulating it. Like what is going on in my country? It's just so annoying. Since this voting started, we just there on the internet, we are just, seeing how everything is going. Like, what is just going on? Is it that this my country don't want to move forward or what? Is it that they don't want to move forward? Everything they keep manipulating, bribing, and all of that. All those INEC people collecting. How much will they give you to finish? To how much will they give you at the detriment of your country, the future of your country? I be your children. I don't even know what I'm saying. I'm just so angry. Like, But anyway, Sha, it is well. It is well. It is well. So guys, that will be it for this video. Hobby is not back yet, and I'll talk to you guys on my next video. I'm so tired. I just want to go and sit down and maybe see a movie or something like that. I'll talk to you guys on my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. Mommy, you want to say bye? Bye. Bye. This is my baby. He's a big now.